Hey everyone, if you've decided to stop using Pixlr's premium features and want to cancel your subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Pixlr subscription step by step in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to the account associated with your active subscription. Make sure you're using the same email address you used when purchasing the plan. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. You can usually access this by clicking your profile icon and selecting the account or settings option. Next, look for the billing, subscription, or plan section. This is where you'll find information about your current membership, renewal date, and payment details. Open the subscription settings and review your active plan. Before canceling, it's a good idea to check when your next billing date is scheduled and whether you'll continue to have access until the end of the current billing cycle. If you cannot find the cancellation option or encounter any errors during the process, contact Pixlr support and provide details about your account and subscription. Remember that canceling your subscription usually does not delete your Pixlr account. You'll often still be able to use the free version, although premium features may no longer be available after the billing period ends. And that's how to cancel a Pixlr subscription in 2026. By following these steps, you can stop future billing and manage your account with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.